Akash because my sister had also joined Akash for her NEET preparation, and I saw the positive change it brought about in her, and she received a very good rank and joined BJ Medical College in Ahmedabad. Because of that, I kind of had this general idea that okay, Akash is very good to get you in discipline, to get you in shape for your JEE and NEET preparation. That's why I gave Anthe in 8th standard, joined foundation courses in 9th standard, and I've never regretted that decision because I always observed that a lot of people struggled during that bridge from 10th standard to 11th standard because the level suddenly increases. And I felt like I never had to face that gap because it was already naturally bridged during our classes in 9th and 10th standard. I realized that Anthe was an all India level exam, so I could judge firsthand where I stood about my preparation because I felt like I couldn't just stay in a corner of this world and decide, I'm intelligent, I'll do well, because I needed some kind of proof. And for that, I needed to compete with other people on the same level as me and even above me. And for that, Anthe was an excellent choice. What inspired me to start early was the fact that I realized that a lot of people fall behind. I have observed from what my sister told me that in her batch, she felt like she was a little behind because she started in 11th standard, and I didn't want to feel that way. I wanted to be ahead of my classmates. Plus, there was this feeling that okay, I can handle the classroom stuff, I can handle NCERT because that's easy. Now I'm ready to learn more. So there was also this feeling, okay, I want to go ahead, I want to learn more, and I want to prepare more for other exams like Olympiads and stuff. So that's why I joined Akash early. I feel like in JEE Main specifically, we need to focus more on NCERT, and for advanced, we need to focus more on application type of questions, which means solving different types of reference books and different test series. For JEE Main, I would recommend study NCERT because JEE Main kind of sticks to NCERT inline questions as well, which would be covered if we all practice archive test series. Akash also conducted archive test series along with their own test series, FTS, final test series, and AIATS. लास्ट 2 months का मतलब ये है कि आपकी प्रिपरेशन मोस्टली हो चुकी है, जो भी पढ़ना था, कंटेंट डिलीवर करना था, वो मोस्टली हो चुका है. अब मेजर जो फैक्टर जिस पे वर्क करना है वो एग्ज़ाम टेम्परामेंट है और काइंड ऑफ नर्व्स के ऊपर वर्क करना है कि अगर आप प्रॉपर एग्ज़ाम एनवायरनमेंट में बैठे हो तो आप कितना अच्छे से प्रेशर को हैंडल कर पाते हो. एंड वो 2 महीने के अंदर काइंड ऑफ प्रेशर बिल्डअप भी होता जाता है. एग्ज़ाम पास में आ रही है, थोड़ा बहुत ऐसे मन में डाउट रह जाता है, मैंने ठीक से पढ़ा कि नहीं पढ़ा, क्वेश्चन में सिली मिस्टेक्स हो जाती है. तो मेनली उस चीज़ पे वर्क करना है, दैट इज़ एग्ज़ाम टेम्परामेंट. जो सिली मिस्टेक्स पूरे साल भर होती आ रही है उसको अब कर्ब करने का टाइम है. जो भी एक्स्ट्रा कंसेप्ट जो है, अब ऐसे कोई मोस्ट लाइकली बचे नहीं होंगे, कुछ बचा है तो अलग से पढ़ने की कोई ज़रूरत है नहीं, क्योंकि अब जो आता है उसी को स्ट्रेंथन करना है. इसके अलावा मैं ये कहूँगी डिस्ट्रैक्शंस जो है बिल्कुल अवॉइड करने हैं. 2 महीने हैं, बस 2 महीने बाकी है. इसमें सारा जो सोशल मीडिया है, जो भी यूट्यूब वगैरह जो भी चला था, सब बंद कर देना है. My advice to JEE aspirants is that keep a clear goal in mind, stay motivated. It's okay to feel down sometimes, and it's okay, what if I don't achieve my dreams, what if I fail, and all these feelings are natural, they come with the entire package. But I would suggest talk with your friends, talk with your family, talk with your teachers. The teachers are very motivating. They have taught a lot of students in similar situations as you.
AQ minus A which is further equal to A square minus I. तो अब हमें पूछा क्या गया, A50 तक पूछा गया. तो अगर मैं इस रिलेशन को देखूं तो मैं ये कह सकता हूँ कि AQ माइनस A ये भी A स्क्वायर माइनस I के बराबर है, A4 माइनस A क्यूब ये भी A स्क्वायर माइनस I के बराबर है. और अगर इसको चलते जाए तो अगर मैं A50 माइनस दिस वॉज A स्क्वायर रादर A4 माइनस A स्क्वायर, तो ये भी A48 ये भी A स्क्वायर माइनस I के बराबर है.
So they will always find ways to help you out. Take tests, don't be afraid of them. Stay clear on where you stand. Have a clear idea of how you need to improve, and you will get there.